Hey gang, this is Siobhan with SOK Services. I want to take the time out to thank you so very much for coming over to watch this video. If this is your first time here, don't forget to go check out some of my other videos. I share information about Arise, which is a work from home company. I share information about work from home and so much more. And so today I'm going to show you guys, if you want to build a website, how to create a contact page that is very easy and simple to do on your WordPress or Easy WordPress website. Doesn't have to be with WordPress. You can use Wix. You can use other websites. They also have plug and play themes. But on my website, I'm going to show you guys the theme that I use. I use the Blockskit Business Agency theme. Initially, I was using 2017 theme, and I decided I wanted to revamp my entire website because there are some services that I do want to add to my business. And so I wanted to go ahead and do this for you guys. And so I'm going to take you guys along for the journey as I'm rebuilding. I already did my front page, which that is complete. I just have to go back and add my links. And so I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get there. So what you're going to do is go to editor. Now, once you go to editor, then you're going to click on template. Okay, so once you're on templates, you're going to see all these different templates that are available. And as you can see, this is my template that I'm going to have for my front page. Now, this particular template is actually for a blog, and so I'm just converting it to a business page, and then I will eventually be adding my blog to it. And so I'm going to show you guys just how to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to choose this template here. All I have to do, because again, is plug and play, I'm going to take this out and then I'm going to type in contact us. Okay, so now that I have the contact us up there, it did have some verbiage here. I went ahead and deleted that. All I did was click the little three dots and then clicked on delete, and it removed it. Alrighty, so now what we want to do is add columns, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to select a double column. So I already know what I want to put in these columns, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to go grab an image. Now you can upload an image, you can add one from a URL, but I'm going to go to my media library because I have an idea of what I want. Now I did attempt to add a banner to my website, but then when I started looking at it, I realized I wanted something that people can actually click on if I wanted to add a URL. And so I decided to create this page with everything in the page. And I took this image from ChatGPT and put it in here, and I can make this bigger or smaller, and then I'm going to make it smaller, and then I'm going to align it and put it and align it as center. Alrighty, and then over here I'm going to add a header. I'm going to add a header, and it's going to say contact us now, or contact us today. Alrighty, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to add a spacer, and I'm putting this spacer in here because it'll make sense when you guys see it, and you can make this spacer as big or as small as you want. Okay, so I'm going to remove that. Now I'm going to go and put in my site logo. Okay. Alrighty, so with my site logo, I want to make it smaller, and then I'm going to go and add my site title. Now, I kind of want these side by side, so I'm going to see how we can fit it in there because I know there is a way to do it. See if I can. Alrighty, so now we have them side by side, and I'm going to go here and I'm going to add another spacer. I am putting the spacer underneath here because I want to add lists, and I'll show you guys what I mean by lists. Okay, so to add lists, you're going to click on the little square and you're going to just add a list. Now you can, to make this easier, you could go back down here and request to start the list again, or you can do just a simple duplicate and this will start creating the list for you. All right. And you're probably wondering, what are you going to put here? So with these, you're going to put your website, and you can link this to your website. You would just click that there and then type in your website. Alrighty. All right, so I'm going to show you what mine looks like. It's going to take you back to the construction page. All right. But once the website is up and running, then you'll be good to go. Alrighty, so now you're gonna put in your phone number. I'll just put the phone number here. You can put in your fax number if you have one. You can also put your, let's say, address. So 123 Main Street. And then you can also put in, let's say, your email address. Alrighty. Now, out beside these, you can put the little logos to show what they are. I'll just show you guys what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to delete that list because I don't want that. So now you want to add your social media. So before you do that, you do want to put a spacer, because if not, then you'll have to come back and add it. So we're going to put spacer, and then we're going to put the social media. Alrighty. So you're going to go here, and you can put in Instagram, you can put in YouTube, you can put in, let's see, mail, go browse. Amazon, if you have an Amazon account, Facebook, like all of these links here. Now you can create your own, as you saw if you saw my previous website. You can go in and build links. You can or build like little images if you want them to be a certain color through Canva, and you don't have to like use the links that are on the site. What you would do is just take that banner, put those images in, and then link each one. Or you can do a plugin and it'll put all the links in there. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is basically what you can do. You would just put spaces in between these to kind of spread it out. You can put a contact form here, like whatever you wanted to do to add it to your contact us page. And that's pretty much it. And all you have to do is click this little button, and it will pull up everything that is available to you for you to be able to do it if you're going to use a template. And so that's pretty much it. It'll add buttons. If you want to add buttons, you can type like contact us, or let's see, put like call us, and then put your phone number, like attach your phone number to it. You can put in, let's see, galleries if you wanted to put in a gallery. Let's see if it has a map. I don't see a map in here, because I know some websites do have the ability for you to be able to put a map for your location if you put in like a city and state. And that's pretty much it for how to create a contact us page, because you want to make sure that you have the main things there so that people can reach out to you if they need to. But that is pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, guys. Bye.